Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September the 28th on a Thursday, and taking a look at the SPY here. Boy, we had a nice little bottoming tail yesterday. Tried to rally, could not close on highs, but still kind of an impressive bottoming tail. We're kind of in no man's land though, as far as where we're bouncing at. Still feel like we somehow may make this 200-day moving average over the next few days, but nonetheless, I have to keep in the back of my mind it's end of quarter, and I mentioned that yesterday. Could get some propping up of some stocks today, but let's take a look at some potential stocks that are setting up. I'm still liking this HLX. I believe it was mentioned yesterday, and it did pop out of that range and closed out of that range, and seeing a gap up here this morning in that HLX. Not something I want to chase. I don't want to be chasing in this market, but still some relative strength there for sure. Akamai, I mentioned a few days ago, it's still holding up, but it has yet to, move to highs here. So it's kind of in no man's land, but it is holding all its key moving averages. So one to just keep an eye on. I'm not putting a entry price on that one or anything. Let's see, OWL. Okay, this one is a nice setup there. Once again, relative strength, had a big move on volume, kind of going sideways here now. Sloppy, but I think if it takes out this 5-day high, you might want to keep an eye on it. So just set your price alert, maybe around 1285 in that one. Let's see, I mentioned that one. VST, this has been on the list for some time now, and still, kind of just in this range, holding this 20-period moving average. You can see the price alert I have in there for that one. Let's see, one more. Let's take a look. A lot of energy stocks. I mentioned some yesterday. There's so many of them. I don't want to mention them again today, but they're on my list here. But UEC is one that's also been on my list for a few days, and that one is potentially setting up for a nice move. Maybe just set your price alert around the 540 level. All right, that's it. Have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.